Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video, we'll be discussing about classic Jenga game. I'll be talking about its history background, game rules, instructions on how to play the game, uh, scoring system, equipment, and materials needed. So, let's start.
Jenga, Jenga, Jenga. You take a block from the bottom and you put it on top. You take a block from the middle and you put it on top. That's how you build a tower, you just don't stop. You gotta build that tower, putting blocks on top. And it teeters and it totters as you build it all up. It weebles and it wobbles, but you don't give up. You take a block from the bottom and you put it on top. You take a block from the middle and you put it on top. Till someone knocks it over and that's when you stop. But you start all over, putting blocks on top. Jenga from Irwin.
Hi. So we had a short advertisement about Jenga game. So we can now proceed to a quick explanation about the history background, game rules, scoring system, materials, and equipment of Jenga game. So basically, Jenga is a classic game designed by Leslie Scott, inspired by a similar game played with children's wooden building blocks in Africa. The name Jenga is derived from Swahili word meaning to build. It was officially launched in 1983 and quickly gained popularity as a challenging and entertaining game. So for the game rules, the game starts with a tower built from 54 wooden blocks stacked in layers of 3. So parang ganito siya, 3. Then pag ganun, ayun. So wala tayong actual na Jenga game. Jenga equipment. So I can't really show it to you, pero I'll provide a picture of it. The players take turns removing one block at a time from any level of the tower except from the top 1. So pwede kang kumuha ng isang block sa any levels aside dun sa top 1 kasi para hindi siya bias. Alright. After removing a block, the player places it on top of the tower, creating a progressively taller and more unstable structure. So kapag kukuha ka ng one block sa any levels, ilalagay mo yun sa top para yung structure ng Jenga tower is magiging unstable, which is yun yung point ng game para thrilling. Alright. So players must use only one hand at a time, and once they touch a block, they must commit to removing it. The game continues until the tower collapses. So pag kukuha ka ng block, isang kamay lang, bawal yung dalawa kasi bawal yun, prohibited yun, alright? Then pag natumba yung Jenga tower, then nasa turn mo yun during ng turn mo yun na na-collapse yung Jenga tower, means nun talo ka, alright? Pero pag hindi yun na nag-collapse during ng turn mo, panalo ka. So mataas yung probability na yung next turn is matatalo. For the scoring system, Jenga doesn't have a formal scoring system. The winner is typically the last player to successfully remove a block before the tower falls. So yun yung na-explain ko lang, bago lang. And some variations introduce a point system penalizing players for causing the collapse or awarding points for successfully extracted blocks. So may iba't ibang variations ng point system. So depende yun sa inyo, depende yun sa laro nyo. Alright. So for the materials and equipment, wooden blocks, meron tayong 54 identical wooden blocks that will make up the Jenga tower. So yun yung gagamitin para magbuo ng initial Jenga tower, which is stable pa. Then for the game box, a box for storing and transporting the blocks, often designed to double as a platform during gameplay. So, yun yung paglalagyan ng mga Jenga blocks. Then, pwede rin siyang gamitin as a double platform. Yung setup instructions includes guidelines for building the initial tower. Nandoon yung guidelines nasa game box yun. Additional information, Jenga has become a classic party game known for its simplicity and suspense as players try to maintain the stability of the tower. It has also inspired variations and giant-sized versions, adding to its widespread appeal. So, yung classic game talaga na tower, Jenga tower, yung yung paganyan lang is yun yung common na ginagamit na, noon. Pero ngayon, since ano naman, modern times naman or contemporary na, may iba't ibang variations na ng sizes. Mga ipakikita ko ngayon.